Hi everyone. Today we'll learn a formula to calculate equated monthly installments, that is a EMI on your loans. Okay, so the formula that we use is PMT, and the parameters that we need to provide are rate, then the total number of months or the period. This is number of periods. We have the present value, we have the future value, and we have the type. Okay, so the rate is nothing but what rate of interest is there on your loan. Like suppose you have an 9% interest rate, um, and this is yearly, and if you want to have an equated monthly installments, then obviously you should divide this by 12. Okay, number of period, like suppose you are taking the loan for 2 years, so you would be doing 2 into 12, that is 24. Present value is the loan taken, right? So if you have taken a loan of 3 lakh rupees, right? So 3 lakh rupees would be your principal value or the present value of the amount. The future value, what you want to see after you have paid all these 24 installments, like all the 24 installments are paid at an interest rate of 9 and all the principal amount is also collected. What is the amount you want to see at the end? So what I want to see here is 0, because I don't want any dues to be pending, or if you want to see a certain amount pending, you can put that amount. And the type represents how you would be paying the equated monthly installments, whether it would be beginning of the period, which will be 1, and if it is end of the period, it will be 0. Okay, so your formula will be equal to PMT bracket, rate is 9 divided by 12, comma 24, comma, that's 3 lakhs, comma 0, comma 0. This will give you an EMI value. This is equated monthly installments.